In this video, I show you the way you can share a document in Google Doc the moment you are done preparing such document. If you are done preparing such document, you just need to head over to this share button, and then once you click on that, you'll be required to give a name to that document that you have prepared. Now you just have to give it that name that suits or that match the document you're preparing. The moment you're done, you click on save. Now here you'll be expected to select the people or the email of the people you're sending that document to. Let's say you want to send the document to this particular person. You can just click here, and here you will select how they will access that document, either just viewing it or they comment on it. But if you want them to have few editing right, you can just select editor, and then you can drop a message here, and then you can just simply copy the link, send it to whoever you want to send that link to, and then they can just view it. And anyone with that particular link can automatically view that link. And then of course you can select the privilege you want to grant to those people, and then the moment you are done, you can just click on done, copy this link, then you click done, and then you can now forward it to whoever you want to forward that document to. They can either edit on it, comment, or view that document. So this is just the simple way to share a document in your Google Doc. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit a like, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to. Thank you.